Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video we have a 2009 with about 64,000 original miles and about 3,400 on the idle that is now ready to be sold. So I know I haven't posted a video in quite some time. Actually, we've been really busy on some orders. Some security companies just decided to come buy all of our cars, and so yeah, and they placed more orders. So again, it's been a blessing. We're really happy and excited, and but I wanted to show you this car because this car it came out beautiful. So in my opinion. Okay, so here it is guys, 09 P71, and let me show it to you. All right, perfect. So let's start with here. So we have a nice push bumper. Okay, spotlights are Unity, non-LED, fully functional. Okay. Tires, we decided to go with Lexani's all the way around, brand spanking new tires all the way around, 235 55 17s. Okay, high performance Lexani tires. Okay, we got this vehicle. It is a flex fuel. Okay, and we got a few antennas. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 at the okay. All right, sorry about that guys, we had a motorcycle in the background noise. Okay, so what were we? Right here. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. So 3 antennas, 1, 2, and 1 on the roof. Okay, 3 antennas there. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we do have the center caps. Okay, again, spotlights are Unity, fully functional. All right, so now let's show you the inside. Okay, power windows, power door locks, power seats, and your driver's trunk release, adjustable pedals, and traction control. Okay, radio fully functional. This is where we left this on. This is where the computer actually mounts. Okay, dome light, you got red and you got white, and that is this vehicle is equipped from factory I'm sorry, with fire suppression. Okay, the seats are in really good condition. Perfect. Now let's go to the back. Perfect. Now let's go to the trunk. All right, here we go. We got this beautiful accessory. I'm sorry, and this is for all your police equipment. All right, let's do passenger side. Rear door. Awesome. Okay. passenger front door, and this vehicle is showing the ballistics panels. Okay. Perfect. All right, so now let me show you the engine compartment. Okay, there's our engine compartment, blue hose. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now so that you get to hear the engine. Okay, at idle. Perfect. Okay, let's go to the odometer. 64,458 on the odometer and 34,68 on the idle. Cool. All right. So there you have it, guys. 09 P71 with 60,000 miles. That's crazy. That is now ready to be sold. So if you have any questions about the vehicle, need more information, give us a call. 909-457-5500. Visit our webpage, drivecarsmart.com. Okay. Remember, guys, all of our cars do come with 3 months or 3,000 mile limited powertrain warranty. Okay, so it's an extended warranty for any mechanical issues relating to the powertrain. Okay, and guys, again, I'm sorry for not making more videos on these cars. We've just been very busy, but we'll keep trying to make some time, because we have received some pretty cool cars as well that we already sold. But again, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Consider hitting the like button and consider subscribing for more cool Interceptor videos, as we do have more cars coming, and hopefully we're able to make the videos. Okay, cool. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching and have a blessed rest of day.